Hello everybody, it's time for the annual fan roundup cleanup. These are the 4 portable fans that are used the most. The 1974 K223 is still clean and pristine. It hasn't seen much use since the refurbishment, so that one doesn't require a cleanup at this time. But these 4 are very dirty and do require a cleanup and service. I've got my necessary supplies ready. The air compressor with a blowgun, Phillips screwdriver, LA's Totally Awesome, and some oil. Let's get started now. How about let's do a mass startup? I'm just going to start them up on low, let them run a minute, and then spin them down. All there is to it. The 96 Lasko decided to show off a little bit, looks like. But there they are, all cleaned up and ready to go. Oh, what the heck, let's put them on high and see what happens. Alright, let's spin them down. It's beginning to look a lot like summer. All the fans are working perfectly. Take note of this 1995-96 Lasko. I received quite a bit of feedback on my removal of this ribbon cable from the motor, but I've not had any problems with mine, so I don't know what that was about. I made sure to get all the wires pushed in back like they were. They're tricky, so mine worked fine, so hopefully it continues to do so. Once again, thank you for watching.